Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word staccato. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The pianist played the staccato notes with precision and accuracy. Staccato refers to a style of musical performance where notes are played in a disconnected, separate manner, typically in a short and abrupt way. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.